Hi everyone! Kumusta kayon? Naimbang grabe kinyayo. Tonight, let's learn another 5 Ilocano adjectives. And our first Ilocano adjective for tonight is napigsa. 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 Strong. Example, napigsa titudo. It's raining hard. Napigsa titudo. Another example, napigsapay ni apong ko. Napigsapay ni apong ko. Or my grandfather or my grandmother is still strong. Apong. It could either mean a grandfather or a grandmother. But if you want to be specific and you wanna say grandfather or grandmother, to say grandfather, apong lakay. Apong lakay. And grandmother, apong bakit. Apong bakit. Napigsapay ni apong bakit. Or napigsapay ni apong lakay. Napigsapay ni apong. And our second one is nasadot. 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 Nasadot means lazy. Nasadot. Nasadot ni manang ko. Or my older sister is lazy. Or I'm lazy. Nasadutak. Nasadutak. You know, if someone is inviting you to go somewhere or do something, and you wanna say, I'm lazy. Nasadutak. Nasadutak. Another example, nasadutak. I'm lazy. I'm lazy. I don't wanna go to work. Nasadutak. Haang ko kayat nga ag trabaho. Or, nasadutak. Haang ko kayat nga mapanjay trabaho. So, let's say that again. I'm lazy. Nasadutak. I don't wanna go to work. Haan ko kayat nga ag trabaho. Haan ko kayat nga ag trabaho. Or, haan ko kayat nga mapan jay trabaho. Our third one, nalukmeg. Nalukmeg. Let's say that slowly. Meg. Meg. Nalukmeg. Nalukmeg means overweight. Nalukmeg. Example, kunana ni tatang ko, nalukmeg ni nanang ko. Haan mo't. My dad said, kunana ni tatang ko, my dad said, nalukmeg ni nanang ko. My mom is overweight. But she's not. Haan mo't. Kunana ni tatang ko, nalukmeg ni nanang ko. Haan mo't. But she's not. Fourth one, tuleng. 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 Tuleng means deaf. At agayim ko nga tuleng. I have a friend who is deaf. I have a friend who is deaf. At agayim ko nga tuleng. Our last one for tonight is nabannog. 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 Nabannog means tired. Nabannog. Nabannugak. I'm tired. Or kayat ko nga maturugan. Nabannugak. I wanna sleep now. I'm tired. Kayat ko, I want nga maturugan. Maturugan. I wanna sleep now. I'm tired. I'm tired. Nabannugak. Nabannugak. Okay, let's say that again. Kayat ko nga maturugan. Nabannugak. Kayat ko nga maturugan. Apay. Bannugak. That's all for tonight. See you in the next video. Kayat ko nga maturugan. Nabannugak. Bye. Good night.